Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss about Maruti Suzuki Baleno Sigma car model. Now start with history of company. Maruti Suzuki India Limited was incorporated on February 24, 1981 with the name Maruti Udyog Limited. The company was formed as a government company with Suzuki as a minor partner to make people's car for middle class India. Now, these are some different variants of Baleno.
Now we will see specification of the car. The body type of vehicle is hatchback where mileage is 21.01 km per liter. On road cost in Mumbai is around 6,48,000. It has dual front airbags to take the impact before it reaches you. Anti-lock braking system prevents the locking up of the wheels when the brakes are applied under heavy loads, while EBD electronic brake force distribution ensures an efficient and effective braking. Now let's see technical features of a car. We will start with the Baleno engine. As you can see, two types of engine which are used. Now we will see what is the special features of dual VVT engine. Now we have seen the features of engine. Let's take a look at smart hybrid technology used in this model.
Introducing Smart Hybrid Technology from Maruti Suzuki, a progressive technology that is a step towards building a green and sustainable future. Smart Hybrid Technology helps increase fuel efficiency and enhances driving performance. It utilizes a dual battery setup and an integrated starter generator ISG. The integrated starter generator takes place of a conventional alternator. The ISG provides torque assist during acceleration, lowering the fuel consumption. The ISG also assists in brake energy regeneration during deceleration. It helps in restarting the engine after the engine auto stop.
Apart from the standard lead battery, the smart hybrid system comes with an added lithium-ion battery.
During deceleration, power generated by the ISG is stored in the lithium-ion and lead-acid batteries. This power is used whenever engine assist or engine auto start is needed. The combination of ISG and dual battery system results in a peppy, powerful and fuel-efficient drive while also being eco-friendly.
Now let's see other features of the car along with a fact. As you can see, number of sales in the unit for last 3 years are given here. Other than Nexa Blue, these are the other 4 colors that Baleno Sigma. Now, you might be wondering why these two cars look so similar. Well, that's because in March of 2019, Toyota and Suzuki signed an agreement to cross-patch models and plug gaps in their respective portfolios. As per the agreement, Suzuki supplies premium hatchback Baleno and compact SUV Vitara Brezza to Toyota, while Toyota supplies sedan Corolla to Suzuki. Toyota Glanza is Toyota's version of Baleno and it looks pretty similar to Baleno, but its price is higher, which rounds up to 8.3 lakh in Mumbai. These are the references used and these are the team members' name. Thank you.